Have you ever noticed something strange? Most people are terrified of losing money. They are afraid of investing, afraid of making the wrong decision, afraid of buying the wrong property, afraid of choosing the wrong investment, afraid of market crashes, afraid of economic uncertainty. And because they're afraid, they do absolutely nothing. They leave the money sitting in a bank account. They postpone investing until next year. They wait for a better economy, a better government, a better opportunity, a better time. But what if I told you that the biggest financial risk in your life is not losing money? What if the biggest financial risk is doing nothing at all? What if the greatest danger isn't making a mistake, but standing still while inflation, taxes, and time quietly destroy your future? In this video, I'm going to completely reframe the way you think about risk. Because once you understand this concept, you will never look at your finances the same way again. And by the end of the video, you'll understand why inaction may be costing you far more than any bad investment ever could. Hi, I'm Manyara Kirago. For over 20 years, I've helped thousands of professionals through financial coaching, training, and advisory programs. I have worked with employees and executives from organizations such as Safaricom, Citibank, Unilever, PwC, KPMG, Bamburi Cement, and many others. More importantly, I have worked one-on-one with professionals who successfully transform their finances and build substantial investment portfolios through disciplined strategic action. Many of those investors eventually acquired income-producing rental properties that transformed their financial future. If you need help creating a clear path towards financial independence, I would be delighted to support you. Please check out my Financial Freedom Coaching Program through the links in the description below. And if you enjoy this kind of content, please subscribe, share this video with someone who needs it, and ring the notification bell so that you never miss a future video. Let's jump into it. There is a lie that most people believe about risk. Ask the average person what financial risk means, and they'll usually say something like losing money. But that's only one type of risk. In reality, there are two kinds of risk. The first one is action risk. This is the risk that comes from making a decision, investing, starting a business, buying property, changing careers. The second is inaction risk. This is the risk that comes from doing nothing. And here is a shocking part. Most people obsess over the action risk and completely ignore the inaction risk. Imagine two professionals. The first invests 5 million shillings into a carefully selected income-producing asset. The second keeps his 5 million shillings in cash because they don't want to take any risk. Who is taking the bigger risk? Most people would say the investor. But let's fast forward 10 years. Inflation has reduced purchasing power. Living costs have increased. Property values have increased. Rental income has increased. The investor owns an asset. The saver owns the same bank statement. Who was really taking the risk? The most dangerous financial losses are often invisible because the cost of waiting is silent. You don't receive a warning. You don't get an alert. You don't see money disappearing from your account. Yet, every year, purchasing power quietly erodes. Let's take a simple example. Suppose you have 10 million shillings sitting in cash. You feel safe. You can see the money. You can touch it. You can log into your banking app and admire the balance. But if inflation averages just 6% annually, that money is quietly losing purchasing power every single year. 10 years later, Your 10 million shillings may buy dramatically less than it buys today. Nothing happened. There was no market crash, no fraud, no bad investment, no disaster. You simply stood still, and standing still can become expensive. This is why doing nothing often feels safe while actually being dangerous. The damage is slow, silent, invisible, but very real. One of the biggest mistakes professionals make is assuming that time will wait for them. Truth, it won't. Time is either working for you or against you. There is no middle ground. Consider two professionals age 40. One begins building income-producing assets today. The other decides to wait until age 50 because they want to be more certain. The second person believes they are reducing risk. In reality, they are sacrificing 10 years of growth, 10 years of rental income, 10 years of loan amortization, 10 years of appreciation, 10 years of learning, 10 years of experience, 10 years of opportunity. And those 10 years are gone. They can never be recovered. Money lost can sometimes be earned back. Time lost never returns. This is why time is often the most expensive cost of inaction. Let me share something powerful. Many years ago, my father was presented with an opportunity to purchase a 10-unit rental property in Islay. At that time, he was just a railway clerk. The property seemed impossibly expensive, far beyond his means. The easiest decision would have been to walk away, to play safe, to do nothing. Thankfully, he didn't. With help from financing and a motivated seller, he managed to acquire the property. That single decision changed the trajectory of our family's future. The property generated income for decades and eventually appreciated enormously in value. What initially looked risky became one of the most important financial decisions of his life. Imagine if he had done what most people would do. Imagine if he had waited. Imagine if fear had won. The greatest loss would have not been losing money. The greatest loss would have been missing the opportunity entirely. And that's exactly what happens to many people today. This message is particularly important if you're a high-income professional, because high earners have a hidden advantage that becomes a hidden trap. That advantage is income. The trap is comfort. A great salary can mask financial problems for years. You can afford mistakes. You can afford lifestyle inflation. You can afford delays. You can afford procrastination, at least for a while. But eventually, reality catches up. One day, retirement arrives. One day, redundancy happens. One day, health challenges emerge. One day, your industry changes. And suddenly, the question becomes, what assets have you built? Not what salary was I earning? A high income without strategic action is like having a powerful engine with no destination. Lots of activity, very little progress. One of the most common things I hear is, but I'm busy, and I understand. Careers are demanding. Families require attention. Life gets complicated. But here is the uncomfortable truth. Being busy does not protect you financially. Many people spend 20 years becoming excellent employees. Very few spend 20 years becoming excellent investors. They become experts in generating income, but remain beginners at converting income into assets. And that's why two people with similar salaries can end up with dramatically different financial outcomes. One used income to build assets. The other used income to support lifestyle. The difference wasn't intelligence. The difference wasn't luck. The difference was action. Now let's be clear about what intelligent action looks like. I'm not suggesting reckless investing. I'm not saying you should rush into every opportunity. I'm not saying that risk doesn't matter. It does. But intelligent action is very different from blind action. Intelligent action means understanding your goals, creating a plan, evaluating opportunities, managing risks, taking calculated steps, learning as you go. That's very different from waiting forever. The goal isn't to eliminate risk. The goal is to choose the risks that move your life forward. Every successful investor understands this. There is no risk-free path. The only question is, which risks are worth taking? I've observed something interesting among people who eventually achieve financial independence. They don't ask, what if this goes wrong? Instead, they ask, what happens if I never start? That's a completely different question, and it produces completely different decisions. They recognize that inaction has a cost. They understand that every year of delay pushes freedom further into the future. They know perfection is impossible, and they understand that clarity often comes after action, not before it. This mindset shift changes everything. Now, before this video ends, I want you to ask yourself 3 questions. Question number 1, what financial opportunities have I postponed because of fear? Question number 2, what is that delay actually costing me? Not emotionally, not theoretically, financially. Question number 3, if I continue doing exactly what I'm doing today for the next 10 years, where will I end up? Be honest, because your future is being built by today's decisions or today's indecisions. Both create outcomes. I would love to hear from you. What financial decisions have you been postponing? Is it investing, buying property, creating a financial plan, starting a business? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video challenged your thinking about risk, type the word action in the comments below. I would like to hear your perspective. Let's recap. Most people believe that losing money is their greatest financial risk. But for many professionals, the bigger risk is doing nothing. Doing nothing allows inflation to quietly erode wealth. Doing nothing allows time to slip away. Doing nothing postpones financial freedom. Doing nothing keeps you dependent on active income. The solution is not reckless inaction. The solution is strategic action, a clear plan, the right priorities, the right sequence, the right investments for your circumstances. If you're serious about building long-term financial independence and want help creating a personalized strategy, I invite you to book a one-on-one strategy session with me. During this session, we'll review your current financial position, identify opportunities you may be missing, uncover obstacles that are holding you back, and create a practical roadmap towards your financial goals. The link to apply for the strategy session is in the description below. Don't spend another year standing still. Take the first step today. If you found this video valuable, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with somebody who needs to hear this message. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Manyara Kirago, and remember, your biggest financial risk isn't losing your money. It's doing nothing. I'll see you in the next video.